Unlock the full potential of your Canon EOS R10 for breathtaking wildlife photography by mastering its advanced autofocus system. First, navigate to the autofocus menu. We're going to focus on key settings, AF method and subject to detect. For fast-moving wildlife, select tracking under AF method. This tells your camera to continuously keep your subject in sharp focus as it moves across the frame. Next, for subject to detect, choose animals. This is crucial as it leverages the R10's intelligent AI to precisely identify and track the eyes or body of wildlife, even in complex environments. For challenging environments, it's often best to shoot in P or TV mode to maintain a high shutter speed. This is essential for freezing motion and compensating for rapid movements. Practice your panning technique smoothly. Follow your subject, keeping it centered in the frame. The R10's tracking will do the rest, ensuring consistent sharp focus. Consider remapping your AFON button for back button autofocus. This separates autofocus activation from shutter release, giving you more control.